Whippoorwill! Whippoorwill! Caw! 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 Hey, how you doing? I'm back with another safety tip. If you're ever out bird watching, be careful because it can be dangerous. You might not think so, but it can. If you're out for a long time and you fall asleep with your mouth open, a bird can build a nest in it, and you could die. And you always gotta look around and make sure you know where you are, because if stuff you have to be careful, because what I want to. Oh yeah. Oh, and just don't look up when geese are flying by, because remember, safety first, not second. Safe.